My dear friends, today is a top yoga poses for diabetes management, and I know those of you who are suffering from this disease, it's not a very easy journey, but you can manage it, you can take it under your control. So please, let's start from the first posture. Extend both of your knees and bring your spine to the straight position. Paschimottanasana, seated forward fold. Extend both of your arms and try to bring yourself to the forward fold. If you cannot, you may slightly bend the knees. It's not that important to bring yourself with the both knees extended. You may just slightly bend it. And for advanced practitioners, you may even interlace arms behind your heels or just bring yourself in the previous posture. We're staying here for just a couple of breaths. Calm your mind and bring all attention inward. Paschimottanasana stimulates the kidneys and pancreas. It also calms your nerve system and lowers your blood sugar. Let's stay here. You inhale, you extend your spine, and with exhalation, you lower yourself down. If it's too hard for you, you may just grab your ankles or even lower your elbows. Adjust yourself how it's comfortable for you. And let's stay here for just a couple of breaths. Next one is a Bathasana. Open both knees, grab your toes, and straighten your spine. With exhalation, you lower your chin, lower abdominal and heart center. And with inhalation, you bring yourself back to the neutral position. Remember, it's not that important to open your hips. It's important to bring yourself with a straight spine and bring your navel in. Interact your pelvic floor and strengthening your core muscles. Bathasana helps to calm down nerve system. It also supports a balance of endocrine system, which is one of the most important components of diabetes development and management. Just gently continue doing a couple of more times and bring all attention inward. Now the next one, extend both knees. Now bend one and place it over the other one knee. Hook your elbow from the other one, Ardha Matsyendrasana. Twisting, place both palms to the floor and point the gaze over the opposite shoulder. Continue gently breathing and try to extend your spine. Imagine like your crown reaching the ceiling. This is half spinal twist. That's such an important asana It massages abdominal organs and improves liver and pancreas function. Just gently continue pushing from both of your palms and breathe deeply. Release all your thoughts and bring all attention inward. It's all about the breath, all about stress release. And now gently we are going to the opposite side. You bend the other knee. Hook the opposite elbow from your knee and we're twisting to the opposite direction. Breathe deeply. Point the gaze over the shoulder. And just imagine how with every next breath you are taking, all your body adjusting to your particular needs. You regulate with your thoughts your blood sugar and all your body becoming healthier and healthier with every next breath you are taking. Impossible is nothing in this life. All the limits is in our head. Breathe deeply and calm your nerve system. Now gently stand up for the next posture of Vrikshasana, tree pose. That's about the balance and bringing all attention inward. Press your left foot to the floor and bring the right one in a side of your hip. If you are an advanced practitioner, you may bring yourself to the half lotus. It's up to you how far you can go. All attention inward and bring all attention on the tip of your nose. Remember, this pose improves your balance and focus. It helps to stimulate pancreas and strengthen legs. Stretch your spine, hamstrings, while helping to calm your mind, which is essential for stress management in diabetes. Just bring all attention inward and breathe deeply. Just a bit left, and at the end with the pelvic floor muscles, if you can, extend knee to the half, flex your foot and stay for 2 deep breaths. That's absolutely perfect, my dear practitioners. Now we're switching the side. Amazing, all the pressure on the opposite foot. Make it half lotus for advanced or inner side of the hip for the tree pose. Again, all attention inward, and it's all about balance and strength. All about managing your stress. Staying for a couple of breaths. My dear practitioners, next one is a Setu Bandasana. Lay down on your spine, bring heels closer to your glutes, blades as close as you can, and grab your ankles. With inhalation, you lift your hips higher, you interact your pelvic floor, and you stay here for a couple of breaths. This asana opens your chest and stretches spine, promoting better circulation and reducing your stress. Now gently from here, without lowering your hips, try to interlace arms behind your back to create the lock. Staying again for a couple of breaths. And just breathing deeply. Next one is a full wheel pose, Urdhva Dhanurasana. You may start from your crown and bring yourself to the full Urdhva Dhanurasana if you are quite strong today. Just gently stretch yourself. You may bring yourself in dynamic by swaying like a bow or just static posture. This yoga pose strengthens and regulates pancreas, making it the most suitable yoga pose for diabetes. And if it's too hard, you may just stay on the crown for the time being. Lower yourself and bring both knees to your heart center to compensate the back of your spine. Just one more time on your crown and lift yourself to the full pose, gently in dynamic. Next one, it's just a pure pleasure. Baby happy, Anandabalasana. Bring both heels on your sacrum to the floor, grab your toes, and gently rock from side to side. Anandabalasana enhances abdominal core muscles. This posture involves gentle stretching and relaxation, which can help elevate stress, tension, promoting a sense of calm and well-being. Just breathe deeply and imagine like there is nobody else, just you and your inner beautiful world. My dear practitioners, we're done for today, but let's manage our breath control. That's so important for managing stress and enhancing awareness, supporting overall well-being. Bring yourself in the sitting position with the spine straight, both blades together, roll it backward and drop it down. And try to breathe the deepest you can via both of your nostrils by strengthening your core and lower abdominal muscles. Calm your mind, and believe me, I know that you are struggling and you are fighting this disease, and I'm so much proud of you that you are walking this way. But believe me, at the end of the way, it's worth it. I believe in you, and I know you're gonna make it. Just breathe deeply, calm your mind. Every single small step you're making to the direction of your better future, that's so important. Your health, your comments, your likes, all your support means world to me. Thank you so much, my dear practitioners, for being with me. Just let's sit here for another minute to get prepared for this beautiful day ahead. And this is it for today. Wish you strong health and have a wonderful day ahead, my dear practitioners.